All right, ladies and gentlemen, Handyman back again this morning. Got this Hustler Sport. If I can get you in the frame there. Got those tires switched over yesterday. This thing looking like a whole new motor. She's looking pretty good. I might change those front ones out. I got the tubeless never flat on the other one. I might put on here. These seem to work just fine, so I don't know. I'll leave it alone for right now. Main thing this morning, get these blades taken off and sharpened up on this more to get ready to put it on some grass. I've already done two to kind of speed the process up and speed this video up. Just want to show you guys how to get these off the easier way for those that don't know. If I can show you, those are pretty sharp. I don't know, they could be a little bit sharper, but they're all right for right now. Like I said, when I stuck those two back up there, as you can see, I got my air side up on that side. Don't have much clearance with my jack stand, but we gonna make it happen anyway. Like I said, if you got air for your blades, exchange, stuff like that, that would be the best thing, because you don't have to have somebody or a wrench to help you hold the nut on the top. Air, it'll usually shoot it out without having to hold anything. So I recommend, if you don't have any air, invest in your small tank. I started out with like an 8-gallon. Now I got like a 20, you know what I mean? And I got another air tank that I'm using now that I actually got for free. I just wanted it out of this storeroom. So just keep your eyes open. If any of this type of stuff, what you're looking for, what you need, will run up on you at a fair price. Like I said, most of the time, like I do, you get a lot of this stuff for free. People just want it out their way. But I'm gonna go turn my air on right quick. We're gonna snatch that blade off and get these things sharpened up. Hang on a second. Like I said, don't have much clearance, so what I'm gonna have to do is just hit it enough to start breaking loose. All right, then I can try to lift up, get the wrench out. That's all it took. Break a couple of threads, that air. There you have it, blade off. That's it. These are brand new blades, pretty much. Like I said, but you can see need a little sharpening on them. So we're gonna get that fixed up. Let me unhook this air. Save that. And get you something like a mat like that or something. Help those knees out and help save your pants from wearing holes in the knees from getting down on that ground and stuff like that. See here if we can do this pretty quickly. Same issue we did with the other mower. Trying a new tool out again. Like I said, it's going to take some time to get used to it, but we working with it. And these blades are pretty narrow, so you want to be careful not to squeeze your blade. I noticed that doing the other ones, I have to, there's the edge right there, and this edge is back here, so I have to kind of turn it to the side so I don't bite into my blade. Always be careful with what you're doing. Snug it down pretty tight, and she shouldn't go nowhere. Should have my glasses on. I'm gonna try to do this real quick without it. Like I said, my point right there. tool. That's about the gist of it. Like I said, I'm not done, but just kind of show you guys. You know, we're gonna fine tune them a little more, but you know, with a little practice, that tool seems to be working pretty good. A bench grinder will probably be better to help bevel those, get those edges a little bit crispier. But like I said, we play with this thing a little bit more, I'm sure we'll get it. So we're gonna work on this blade just a little bit more, get it sharpened up, and get everything put back together. And that's a wrap on the zero turn blade change. Y'all guys have a good one.